everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome. Hey, Solomon. Welcome, Solomon. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. We had some selling today. All right. So the Dow was down over 300 points, guys. So 317 points down on the Dow. NASDAQ was down. S&P and the Russell. All right. So they were all down today. All right. Our US 30 trade. Let's see here. All right. We should be out of that trade. We did get a sell signal. All right. To be out. All right. So on the 60-minute. All right. 60-minute buy signal was here. All right. Broke support. As a matter of fact, this was turning. This candle wasn't actually red. Right. This candle here got out on this candle here. It was actually turning back and forth from white to green, but broke support, got out, and then sellers came in heavy. I think there was data the Fed spoke today. All right, doesn't matter. We don't care about that. All right, so got out, buy signal here. So, I spoke to a few of you, our US 30 traders. Good job, right? Taking this trade, and you guys did okay. Hey, Taj, welcome, Taj. Welcome. All right, so great job, guys, taking this trade, US 30 trade. All right, so now we just wait. All right, so we wait. Remember, we talked about this, right? This was a concern. Even with this buy signal, this purple and support resistance lines, right? They never went away. All right. So that is definitely a concern. So guess what? Out of the trade, take your profits. Even here on the daily time frame, we have quite a bit of purple right in here, purple support and resistance. Okay. So we'll keep an eye on these indexes. All right. We are really overbought on these markets. That doesn't mean can't go any higher. All right. But we are in overbought territory. Okay. So we've moved the time frame on the indexes. We want to get close to that price action just in case sellers come in heavy. All right. We'll be aware of that. So we've changed the Dow, right, to a 240-minute time frame rather than the daily time frame we normally track. All right. S&P also 240-minute time frame. NASDAQ 240-minute time frame, and the Russell here is on a 240-minute time frame. Okay, we do have red candles, right? We have a red candle. First red candle came in on the NASDAQ today, right here. All right, you guys can see that right here on the NASDAQ. This is on the 240 now. All right, 240-minute time frame. On the Russell, we've got a red candle right here. Okay. S&P, we've got a white candle. On the Dow, still a green candle. Okay. So we'll keep an eye. This is not a crazy amount of selling, but 315 points down for the day. It's a big enough day to really pay attention to these indexes. Okay. So we'll continue to keep an eye on those. All right. We will not add any stocks today. Okay. But we'll take a look, but not add any stocks today. Let's take a look at current positions. And again, big congratulations to our US 30 traders. All right, good job. Not only taking the trade, but managing yourselves out of the trade. All right. USD HUF finally closed. All right. So USD HUF, that dollar pair, guys. All right. Closed. So buy signal was here. Sell signal, red candles. Right. Sell signal by your system. So please close that trade. So USD HUF. We will take a look at the dollar index as these As these indexes come down, we might see a move, well, we should see a move in the dollar higher. Okay. So that was the one long position. All right. So if you're in it, take profits. All right. If you guys look here, we have pretty good resistance here. So this is a perfect sell, right? Perfect sell. Markup phase, sell signal, perfect. All right. So it could come all the way back down. So close the trade, please. All right. All right. Shorts. Let's go over the shorts. We do have a few shorts. And we could see some short opportunities in the yen pair. So we'll take a look at the yen pairs this evening. See if we can find some short opportunities. Okay. In Forex. Oh God, hold on. All right. So current shorts in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. Euro Swiss is one of the shorts. All right. We've got going here. Sell short signal right here, guys. Moving down nicely here. Slowly moving down to support here. All right. If the selling continues, right, and if it becomes heavier, we could break support here. Now I know we're not close to that, but that's the goal with these euro pairs, euro and pound pairs. Hopefully break through support all the way down here. So euro Swiss looks good. EURN, okay, that closed. All right, buyers came in here, green candle. Sell short signal was here, forced to buy to cover. All right, so close that trade, please. Euro, EURN, okay, close that trade, please. All right, EURN, okay. EURSEK, that's holding fine. Sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. First target all the way down here. All right, so EURSEK, that's holding. EURNZD, EURNZD. All right, sell short signal is here, holding fine, right? We need that price to come down. A lot of support, guys. So if it breaks that support, if it comes down, it breaks out that support, we could see sellers really jump in, all right? Right? The more support we have, right, the more floor, like this is your floor here, right? Once it breaks, they really jump in, sellers will, okay? All right, so a Euro Aussie, sell short signal here, a bit of consolidation in here, a lot of white candles, all right, but no green candles, hasn't closed the trade. So we need sellers to come back down, all right, test support down here. All right, that's Euro Aussie. So no change there. A pound Swiss, that's holding it short position fine. All right, here's your markup phase, markdown phase. Sell short signal here, holding fine. Target here. Pound New Zealand. All right, pound New Zealand. Keep an eye on this one. All right, sell short signal here. We've got some white candles. We just need sellers to come back down, bring that price down. Keep an eye on it. Okay. Uh, that's a bit challenging there. Pound Aussie, pound Aussie. All right. Sell short signal here, all red candles. This is holding, right? We just need sellers to come on back down, test support here. If it breaks support here, we've got lower support here. Let's move it. We'll move it here. All right. All right. That's pound CAD. Pound Aussie, we got some buyers came in here. So close this trade, please. Too bad on this one. Pound Aussie, all right. Sell short signal here. Green candles are coming in. Close this trade, please. All right. So pound Aussie. Okay. So we don't have all the euro pairs and pound pairs moving lower. So that is a concern. All right. That is a concern there. So if you're trading those, just trade them lightly. All right. Don't go heavy. Okay. Forex dominator, long positions, Forex dominator, long positions. EUR TRY still holding at resistance, guys. So just still holding right here. All right. So um, don't know what to say about that. um, need buyers to come in. It's just holding every day just holding. No volume, no volatility at all there. EUR TRY still holding. USD TRY continuing to move higher, slowly moving higher. EUR CZK, all right, that's holding, right, moving higher here. Pound New Zealand, all right, buy signal here, holding. Pound PLN, GBP PLN, a bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on this. Remember, right, these pound pairs want to go short in monster scalper. Buy signal here. Just keep an eye on this one here. If you want, I would just close it. Okay, we'll leave it for now. Pound SGD. All right, this one is holding. Dollar CZK. All right, this one is moving up nicely. All right, so USD CZK. All right, moving up nicely here in the markup phase. USD HUF. All right, so buy signal here. That's holding. CAD yen. CAD yen is holding right here. All right, but I haven't looked at the yen pairs. I'm sure, guys, with the selling we got today, the yen pairs might give some sell short signals. We'll take a look at those. Okay, we do have one short in Forex dominator, and that is Euro Pound. Let's take a look at that. All right, so Euro Pound right here. All right, that's a decent short going there. Let's bring in our lines. I thought we did this before. All right, so here is your somewhat of a markup phase there. Here is your markdown. All right, sell short signal is right here, but guys, look here. Now this is on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator. We've got support here. This is where buyers with held support. Buyers held support, brought that price higher. Look here, we could break support, and this is what could happen when we have a big support. And I would consider this a big support here, especially on the daily. And here we are right here, looking to break through that support. That could be a big deal here if it breaks support. All right. So Euro Pound. So again, this is in Forex Dominator, but again, right, we're shorting those pairs here in Monster Scalper. Okay. And I am really curious to see what the yen pairs are doing. Okay. Stock boss. So let's take a look at stocks. Stocks made a move lower. The indexes did. So let's see if that affected the current stocks. All right. In stock boss and bullmaster. As always, if we've got a white candle, we'll pay closer attention this evening to those white candles. See here, all these red guys, a lot of red came in, right? Market was down. So we might close, all right, we'll go through these and see. All right, but we might give a sell signal on some of these white candles, depending on how they look. All right, this one is holding. All right, ACET, that's holding. That's good. RNA, that's holding. All right, ZIM, that's holding. All right, this is holding. White candles here, that looks fine for now. All right, this is holding. All right. FULC, that's holding. All right. QD, that's holding. OMER, holding white candles. Just pay attention. If it's got white candles, pay attention. Okay. All right. This is holding. All right. Holding. Not bad. So they've held up so far today. All right. All right. That's holding. This one here, LESL, white candle here, purple support and resistance. Take a quick look at the weekly here, weekly time frame. All right, guys, we don't have a strong weekly. Okay, markdown phase here on the weekly. All right, we don't have any green candles, no buy signal on that weekly here. Right, we could get sellers to come in very easily here. All right. Look at this. Lots of selling here on the week. So let's go ahead and close this one. All right. Good chance. Purpose support and resistance here. Good chance sellers could come in. All right. So L, and it's in some profit. I think the entry was right around here. So take your small profit, get out. LESL. Close the trade, please. All right. This is holding. Holding. Good. All right, that looks good. White candle, pay attention to it. Holding. All right, SGHT give a sell signal. Okay, so we need to remove that. So our stock boss traders, make sure if you're trading this, and in particular, stock boss traders and your bull master traders, go through your system at least once a day after the market close and make sure you clean things up. So buy signal on this one was at 380, guys. Broke support here, red candle, close today at 427. Remove that trade. We got a red candle here. This is what could happen. All right. So, all right, make sure you clean things up. All right. This is holding. All right, holding. So not bad. I was expecting more selling. All right. I think it's because it happened. The selling came in at the end of the day. All right. All right. That's holding there. This is in Bull Master. That looks good. Holding, holding, holding. XRAY, X-ray, white candle here. Let's take a quick look at the weekly. Take a look at the monthly. Uh, we could hold this for now. If we get a bounce tomorrow, it should be fine. Keep an eye on it because it's approaching support, guys. Okay, and you've got lower. I know it's hard to tell, but you've gone from a high here, a this candle here, and it's making lower right here, lower lows. So, and it's right here at support. We could get one big candle, red candle here. So just keep an eye on it. All right. All right. Holding, holding, holding. Okay. Good buying. Holding, holding. If you've got green candles, that's fine, guys. You can hold on. GMED, purpose support and resistance, broke support here. All right. The buy signal was here. That's really close to that buy signal. Let's take a look at the weekly. Might just want to close this. All right, failing on the weekly here. All right. All right, sellers. All right. Um, okay, so we'll close this. GMED, close the trade, please. All right, GMED. Now, these are not a perfect, I mean, you could get a bounce, but we're just looking at the total environment. Okay, purpose support and resistance here. It almost made it all the way up to its target here, but it's not holding. Okay, so close that trade, please. This is fine. This looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Green candles, all good there. Um, STNE, you've got a white candle here. Purple support and resistance. I think we had another target on this. Oh, we didn't. All right, take a quick look at the weekly. Now, this is a trade you wouldn't want. You don't want to give up any profits there. So let's take a look at the weekly. All right, purpose support and resistance. We can tell it's under pressure here. Really hasn't started to trend higher. So go ahead and close this trade here. All right. Definitely protect profits. The buy signal was at 1160. All right. Trading at 1719 there. Okay. So take profits. STNE. All right. Almost done with Bullmaster. That's holding. Keep in mind, guys, if you have any positions that are near resistance like this, like here is resistance, here is resistance. Buy signal was here at this one here. All right, at 83, $84 here. All right, it hit its resistance right here, 106, right? I wouldn't take profits, but pay really, really close attention, right? Because sellers are here. This is what happened before, prior. And here we are right here. Okay. All right. You can hold on. If buyers come in tomorrow heavy, which will sometimes happen after a down day, right? It might break to the upside. RVTY, white candle here. Let's take a look at the weekly. Oh, we looked at this one. All right. So we're holding this. All right. All right, holding. Okay. Not too bad. Again, because I think the selling came in at the end of the day. So all right. A lot of them were down, but not enough to change direction in most of these. Okay. And one day of selling will not change a trend. Okay, but it's important to pay attention. That's why we've moved those indexes to the 240. All right. Okay. Monster Scalper. Curious to take a look at the yen pairs. Those yen pairs, you guys know they ran up, right? You guys did well. They ran up for 600 pips. So they're due for a nice pullback. And the yen pairs will follow the equity markets. Okay, so let's take a look at those, the yen pairs. Let's start with, well, let's do the yen. We'll go here, short. Monster Scalper short. Okay, Monster Scalper short. All right. ZAR yen, nothing here. Dollar yen. All right, so dollar yen, good. We've got a sell short signal. Okay, so USD, JPY short in Monster Scalper. All right. Um, all right. TRY, JPY. We have a short signal here. Hold on. Let's do this. We'll get back. So just put a question mark to TRY, JPY. That's really low, guys, in the markdown phase. Let's see how the other pairs are doing. All right. And if we might have a rotation, meaning, right, 80-90% of the pairs are short. If we've got a rotation, then right, we might call this one here. SGD JPY. Let's take a look at this one here. All right. So SGD JPY short also. SGD JPY short in Monster Scalper. All right, guys, this is exactly what we want. All right, here is your markup phase. You guys know, right? Those trades did well. Now, right? Got through that distribution phase, sell short signal, broke support, red candle, sell short signal, now in that markdown phase. Okay, hopefully we get a short trade like this. Okay, so SGD JPY short. Good. So far, looks good. All right, New Zealand yen, nothing here. All right, HKD JPY. All right, and bring in your lines. HKD JPY. So there is definitely something going on here. All right, hopefully it lasts. And just remember, bring in your trend lines. Okay, here's your markup. Here's your markdown, broke support, target all the way down here. Notice how, guys, last month, well, early in the month, these were all longs. Now they're mostly shorts now. Okay. All right. So HKD JPY short in Monster Scalper. Good short here. Pound yen. Pound yen. All right. All right. Pound yen, guys. Look at the pound yen. Always a great opportunity to trade pound yen. Nice markup phase. All right. You guys remember this was for about 600 pips. All right. Here was the, hold on. Here was the trade here. Pound yen. All right. Remember this. This was the long trade here. All right. Now we're looking to go short. All right. So here's your short signal here. Sell short. Break of support. Nice setup here. It hasn't gone too far. All right. So still right here. Look for a target if it holds all the way down here. All right, this is where you've got support. So nice long way to go down there. Okay, so pound GBP JPY short. So get your trades set up. All right, our monster scalper traders. Make sure you've got. All right, don't go crazy. Don't go heavy. Just all right. Get some positions going. Euro yen. All right, euro yen. Sell short signal is here. All right, you got to get into this one quickly if you're gonna get in. Otherwise, it will. That's gonna move lower quickly. So it's still good to get in, but you wait a couple of days, will be too late. Based on the price action, not what I think. Right, based on what it's doing here. Okay, right? It could have another trade like this. All right, so JPY. So I think we should have a rotation in the yen pairs. JPY short. Let's keep going. Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen waiting here for a sell short signal. No sell short signal yet. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen, no sell short signal yet, but that should come in soon. And then Aussie yen, sell short signal here. Now this doesn't have a clear markup phase. Let's see if we can make sense of this. All right, so we'll bring this up here. So here's your resistance, and it's just breaking a trend here. Breaking a trend line right here. Okay. All right, so here's your trend line. Price got squeezed. Here's your triangle here. Broke out and now moving lower. Okay. Still good to get in. Aussie, AUD, JPY. Short in Monster Scalper. All right. So we've got TRY, JPY. We'll go ahead and call it. Okay. So TRY, JPY. Again, it's low in that markdown phase, but the goal here is to, if it can perhaps get, I would say, breakthrough support here. All right, sell short signal is here, right? Based on how the other yen pairs are doing, all right, it might break through. Okay, but this would not be your first trade. I would stick with, you got the other trades, right? Pound, yen, euro, yen, all these other, but we'll add this one, TRY, JPY. Okay. So we've got 7 guys, 7 yen pairs. So we don't have quite a rotation yet. Okay. So we need some of the other pairs, but good enough to trade. And look here, right? Volatility is picking up in Forex. All right. In Monster Scalper, right? Volatility is picking up. We have fewer pairs consolidating. So that's good. And these here that are gray right here, these are new. These are new pairs that are starting to move, not up or down, right? They're just moving. Volatility is coming in. Okay, so that's good. The dollar pairs. Let's take a look at the dollar pairs. So you've got some opportunities with the yen pairs. Now, if the yen pairs go, if the yen goes lower, these dollar pairs will move higher. So be careful shorting these. I know they're red here, but I wouldn't short these. Okay. Um, Aussie dollar, Aussie New Zealand. Now remember, Aussie and Kiwi pairs will go along with the yen pairs. Okay. They will move with the yen pairs. We'll add Aussie New Zealand. This will go short with the yen pairs. All right, sell short signal here. In my personal opinion, I think the market guy, I think things are setting up for a move. There's some big support areas that hasn't been broken. That I think the way things are moving, these shorts are moving. Um, all right, so Aussie, New Zealand, right here, Aussie, New Zealand, sell short signal here. Here is support. Very, very choppy trading. Okay, but boy, I think if these support levels can break, um, these trades could really work out. Um, NZD, what you could do, take a small position. Then if it breaks down here, you can always add. Okay, so AUD, NZD, and again, these Aussie pairs will run right, run with the yen pairs. AUD, NZD, short in Monster Scalper. All right, Aussie dollar. We'll call this one too. A lot of support right here. Um, no, the yen pairs are much, much better setups. Okay, but uh, so here was a short. Here was a short. Not great shorts, but a lot of support right here. Here's our sell short signal here. All right. If it breaks through, we could see a big move. Sellers really jump in. AUD, USD, and that's the reverse, the dollar reverse. Okay, the reverse dollar here. Okay, Aussie Swiss, uh, Aussie Swiss. That's really choppy, but it could certainly move lower. All right, we'll hold on. Aussie CAD, Aussie CAD. All right, so we've got support here, all the way down here. This is a tricky trade. All of these are, I don't know. Let's see. New Zealand dollar, nothing here. New Zealand Swiss. All right. Pound ZAR. All right. We missed this pound ZAR short. So we're in pound Swiss, pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound New Zealand. We missed this one. Pound ZAR, guys. Too bad. Oh, pound ZAR. And it's too far gone. Good short here. All right. Let's see. Pound dollar, nothing here. Pound SGD. It's got a sell short signal here. Very choppy. Look at that. Very choppy trading. Um, Pound PLN. We're not in this one. Let's see here. All right. We'll add pound PLN. All right. So pound GBP PLN short. I know you guys can't trade all of these. Just find, we'll go through these, but find the best opportunities, the ones with the best setup. Okay. Let's see. Sell short signal is right here. Here's your markup phase. Markdown phase. Okay. Sell short signal here. Target all the way down here. All right. Pound New Zealand. We're in Pound New Zealand already. Red candle coming in here. Nothing here. All right. Pound Swiss. We're in Pound Swiss. Okay. Um, I think that's it. Tomorrow, I don't think we've got anything going in Forex Dominator. We'll take a quick look and then we'll be done. Aussie CAD. Hold on. So Euro Pound is the only short we've got. So almost done, guys. A few more minutes here. All right. So Aussie CAD short. Aussie CAD short in Forex Dominator. Okay. All right. So here's your markup phase. Right here. Markdown phase. Right here. Sell short signal right here. Target. First target down here. Okay. Aussie CAD, Aussie Swiss. I tell you, looks like something is really market is trying to break. So we'll add this one here. Now, these are very risky trades here because we're trading low in that markdown phase. Okay. This one here failed. These right here worked out. But boy, if it can break through that, if it can break through that support here, right here, Aussie Swiss, and if it breaks through, it's too late to get in. All right, so Aussie Swiss there. Aussie dollar, no sell short signal. New Zealand CAD. All right, we'll add New Zealand CAD. With these, just be careful. Again, your best opportunity is in Monster Scalper. Those yen pairs, they've gone up so far, so well, relatively fast. They're really due for a nice pullback, nice selling. All right, so New Zealand CAD will add it here. Right here. And that is in Forex Dominator, short. Remember, daily time frame on those. New Zealand Swiss. We'll add New Zealand Swiss. Okay. Forex Dominator. All right, guys. Our US 30 traders, NAS 100 traders. Okay. Let's go through those quickly. So US 30, do not take the shorts. Okay. We're still long, right? Again, good job closing the short, closing the long. Okay. Hold on. So we have a few who's on here. Okay. Good job, guys. Take in. Um, All right. So these shorts, right? You'll notice some of the shorts coming in here. All right. Now, unless you're trading on the smaller time frame, 5 minute, 15 minute, right? 30, you can take it, but just be very, very careful. All right. We're still long. Overall, we are long. Right? That daily time frame right here. Right. This could be just a pullback. And we could see buyers come back in heavy. Okay. So be careful of these. Right. Don't be tempted to take these shorts. Okay. But good job, right? Taking the long. Heard from a few of you guys, so good job. Who's on it? Michael, really good job, guys. Michael had his first big trade today. I think Michael, you made how much? What, 370 on this trade right here? So good job, buddy. Good job. That's your first big trade. Good job. I'm sure it feels great. Let's see here. So the uh, NAS right here. NAS also closed. Now this is under 240. Okay, so even under 240, they've closed. All right, that's your NAS, and then S&P. All right, here's the S&P. So we should be right now. We should be just out waiting. Okay, out waiting on the E-minis. You're welcome, Michael. Welcome. Hey, you did it. You did it, buddy. Good job. Michael stayed, guys. Michael, let me show you guys here. This is his first, I believe, was Michael, your first US 30 trade. And guys, he caught it right here on the 60-minute time frame and held it. This is the US 30, right? This is the US 30 right here. And stayed in all the way. All right. So Michael and Anthony did also. Anthony caught this trade. Right. Both you guys, thanks for letting me know. Good job. Right. You made some money today. Good job. So just wait patiently for the next setup. Don't be tempted. All right. To trade any of this noise. Okay. All right, guys. Again, good job. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Those yen pairs short in Monster Scalper. Okay, those yen pairs short. That's your best opportunity right now. But just because I say that doesn't mean you're gonna go heavy. All right. Trade the same amount of capital you would always trade. The dollar index, we're still waiting for a buy signal here. Okay. A lot of, just holding right here. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good job, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.